As we age, one of the most common and concerning issues we face is muscle loss. After 60, our muscles begin to naturally weaken and decrease in size, a condition known as sarcopenia. This loss of muscle mass can affect our ability to perform simple tasks like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even getting out of a chair. However, there's a natural food that can help prevent muscle loss and support your overall strength without relying on expensive protein powders or supplements. The food I'm talking about is lentils. I'm Dr. Nancy Weller, and today I want to share with you why lentils are such a powerful food for seniors, especially when it comes to maintaining muscle. Not only do they offer an incredible amount of protein, but they also provide a host of other health benefits that are perfect for anyone over the age of 60. When most people think about getting protein, they usually think of eggs, meat, or protein shakes. However, lentils offer more protein than eggs, making them an ideal food choice to help combat muscle loss and maintain strength. A single cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein, which is more than the protein in an egg. One large egg only contains around 6 grams of protein, meaning that lentils provide 3 times the protein per serving. Unlike protein powders, which are often processed and may contain additives or artificial ingredients, lentils are a whole food that is naturally rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This makes them an excellent, affordable option for seniors looking to get more protein in their diet without having to rely on processed products. Lentils are also a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. As we age, getting the right amino acids becomes increasingly important for maintaining muscle mass and promoting muscle recovery. The protein found in lentils is also easier to digest than animal-based proteins like eggs or meat, making it an excellent choice for seniors who may struggle with digestion as they age. Furthermore, lentils are high in fiber, which supports healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation, a common problem for many seniors. Beyond protein and fiber, lentils are packed with essential nutrients, such as iron, which helps support red blood cell production and ensures that muscles receive the oxygen they need to function properly. Seniors are often at risk of iron deficiency, which can lead to fatigue and weakness. By including lentils in your diet, you're helping to prevent iron deficiency and supporting better energy levels, making it easier to stay active and maintain muscle strength. Lentils are also a great source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in cellular health and brain function. Folate is especially important for seniors because it helps reduce the risk of cognitive decline and supports memory and mental clarity. In fact, studies have shown that adequate folate intake can help improve brain function and even protect against age-related memory loss, making lentils a food that nourishes both your muscles and your mind. Another nutrient that lentils provide is magnesium, which plays an essential role in muscle function. Magnesium helps muscles relax and prevents cramps, which is especially important for seniors who experience leg cramps or muscle spasms. In addition, magnesium supports bone health, helping to reduce the risk of fractures, a concern for many older adults. By incorporating lentils into your diet, you're helping to maintain healthy muscles and bones as you age. Lentils also contain potassium, which helps regulate muscle contractions and fluid balance in the body. Potassium works alongside magnesium to ensure that your muscles function properly, preventing weakness and muscle fatigue. This is particularly important for seniors, as muscle weakness is one of the main contributors to falls and injuries in older adults. By eating lentils regularly, you can help prevent these issues and support your overall mobility. So, how can you add lentils to your diet? The beauty of lentils is their versatility. You can add them to soups, salads, stews, curries, or even make lentil-based veggie burgers. They are quick to cook, taking only about 20-30 minutes to prepare, making them a convenient option for busy seniors. You can buy dried lentils, which are very affordable and have a long shelf life, or opt for canned lentils for an even quicker option. No matter how you choose to prepare them, lentils are easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes, making them a great addition to any meal. In addition to being protein-packed, lentils are also naturally low in fat and calories, making them an excellent option for seniors who are trying to maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for reducing strain on muscles and joints, preventing conditions like arthritis, and supporting overall mobility. Lentils provide a nutrient-dense meal without the excess calories or unhealthy fats found in many processed foods. Lentils are also an environmentally friendly food. As a plant-based source of protein, they have a much smaller environmental impact than animal-based proteins. By incorporating more lentils into your diet, you're not only improving your health, but also supporting a more sustainable food system. To summarize, lentils are an incredible food that can help seniors prevent muscle loss after 60. With more protein than eggs, plus a host of other essential nutrients like fiber, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Lentils are a perfect addition to your diet if you want to support your muscles, bones, and overall health. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and versatile, making them an ideal food for anyone looking to stay strong and active as they age. So, if you've been relying on protein powders or shakes to meet your protein needs, it might be time to consider adding lentils to your routine. Not only will they provide more protein than eggs, but they also offer a wide range of other health benefits that can support your muscles, digestive system, heart, and brain. Start incorporating lentils into your meals today and experience the difference they can make in helping you stay strong and healthy naturally.